Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Atlas credit card. Now as you can see here, it offers zero APR and high approval rates, save spending limits that grow with you, save $1,850 every year on average, and no credit card history required. So you can apply for this credit card immediately. So it is rated 4.8 out of 5 on Trustpilot. So as you can see here, I've opened the Trustpilot app, and there are a lot of good reviews. This app has helped me rebuilding my credit card fast and easy, blah blah. And there are only 2%, 8%, 3%, and 86% of them are 5-star. Now let's actually go over here into Reddit, and let's go here first to NerdWallet and actually learn a few things about the Atlas credit card. So number one, the annual fee is ridiculous. So let's put this out there first. The Atlas credit card costs $1,000 per year to carry. Yes, you read that correctly. At that point, there's not much an annual fee, as it is a country club membership. So number two, you'll earn points but no bonus. And number three, it offers highly specific perks like Atlas dining, flight cancellation reimbursement, limited priority pass lounge access, Visa Infinite benefits, one medical membership, Iverhon Cafe membership, Future Fitness Training membership. So yeah, those are really highly specific perks, and only few people will benefit from them. So number four, you can get access to a personal concierge. So and number five, appearances do matter. So if you want to look rich, your credit card has to play the part. The Atlas credit card is made of metal naturally because plastic is so the class. It boasts a hefty weight of 21 grams and is so polished to a mirror like shine. So in a pinch, you can use it to check to see if you have food in your teeth. So the Atlas credit card might look good on paper. However, it does get expensive over time, and it has more problem than convenience. So that is it. That is my review for Atlas credit card. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.